Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make armpit fudge updated. Start by sanitizing your tools and the skin area, measure oils and thickeners precisely, and prepare a clean workspace. Mix melted oil with a safe butter and a controlled thickener until you reach a creamy consistency, then cool briefly. Apply a small test patch, adjust texture with more butter or thickener, and store in a sealed container away from heat. Collect all ingredients and tools before you begin to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Measure each component using grams or teaspoons to maintain consistency from batch to batch. Melt oils gently over low heat, stir in butter until fully incorporated, and slowly add your thickener while whisking to avoid lumps. Keep a small testing jar to tweak scent and texture before filling your final container for everyday use. When applying armpit fudge, less is more. A pea-sized dab usually covers one armpit comfortably. Warm the product between fingers to soften it, then press and spread gently over clean, dry skin until it blends without leaving heavy residue. Wait a few minutes before dressing to avoid transfer. Observe how it wears during the day and adjust the amount or formula if you need more sweat control or different scent strength for comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.